Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the village of POUBRO, which is a very pretty historic village with a very beautiful chateau, very close to the historic town of Pézenas in the sunny Languedoc-Roussillon or Occitanie region of the south of France. This is a very, very beautifully presented 6-bedroom character house with this rather wonderful courtyard garden with swimming pool. You are a short walk from the centre of the village, which has got a couple of shops, a bar that sometimes I think does food, and you are only a short drive from the neighbouring village of Roujan, R-O-U-J-A-N, where you can find lots in the way of supermarkets, shops, restaurants, etc. And you're only about a 20-minute drive from the historic town of Pezenas. So to start with, I think what we'll do is we'll actually go round and go in through the far door. The original front door of this property isn't used by the current owners and wasn't used by the previous owners. Instead, they come in from the street through these double doors here. Originally, you see, this courtyard area would have been a barn of some description, and at some point the roof has been taken off to create this rather nice oasis. So let's go straight in. This door ahead of us will take us straight into the main living room. The house has been decorated very, very tastefully by the current owners, beautifully furnished. And with this particular property, there could be a very interesting discussion to be had to do with a purchase, potentially fully furnished. So it's nice to have the living area on the same level as the pool area, the outside space. From here we've got double doors going through to a dining room and sort of cosy, snug area. This has been decorated by the current owners in quite a heavy style on purpose because they feel that that fits with the period of the property and it being a dining room. You've got the doors ahead of us, the double door there is a small cupboard, so where you'd have sort of drinks or glasses perhaps. And if I turn around, just here, we find the original front door of the house. So it's not blocked up or anything. The current owners don't use it as a front door. The previous owners didn't use it as a front door, but there's nothing to stop you doing so. The house is already connected to high-speed fibre optic internet, which is always a bonus in this day and age. And then here you've got a rather nice fireplace with mantelpiece. So continuing the tour, also on this floor, we have a kitchen breakfast room. Before we get there, we've got a utility room and downstairs toilet on the left, with a wash basin. And then a bit of a storeroom on the right, the ideal place to stick a ladder, a few tools. Maybe the Hoover. The kitchen breakfast room, good size room, beautifully presented, space for everything you need. Then from here we can make our way up to the first floor. We've got a lovely old traditional staircase. With a very nice accent wall of original stone and a very, very old original lintel. So, first floor, let's turn left and go into the first of the 6 double bedrooms. So you've got 3 bedrooms on each of the 2 floors. Original cupboards built in. Really, really nice floor. Lovely condition. Nice colours. A nice big room. Then you've got a small hallway. And the next room we come to on the right is a bathroom. Next to that, bedroom number 2. Like all of the other rooms, beautifully presented. This is a really nice room actually. Bit of a recess over there, which is ideal for a wardrobe and a dressing table. Then I think some people will consider this as the master bedroom because it's a good sized room, it's got a dressing area and it's also got an ensuite shower with toilet. Quite high ceilings on this first floor. So ahead of us to the right we've got a dressing area and then to the left a shower room. So this is a sort of little dressing nook perhaps where you've got a dressing table and space for a wardrobe. And then next to that, an ensuite shower room with toilet, wash basin and shower cubicle. So that's the first floor, which gives us 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 1 shower room and 2 toilets. And from here, we can carry on up to the second floor, where we will find another 3 bedrooms. Continuation of the same staircase as below, and you've also got the stone accent wall there, which has been really nicely picked out and pointed. Turning left. Before we go into that room, this little door here gives you access to a very small little loft space. Not a lot of room, good head height, but great space for putting suitcases and things like that, and nice easy access. There's a little staircase that goes up. Bedroom number 4. Nice original mantelpiece. Lovely original floor tiles in good condition. So that's bedroom number 4. Then on the right, we've got another bathroom. This time we've got a bath, toilet, wash basin, and a shower cubicle. And next door to this is a really charming room. Slopey ceiling, nice exposed wooden beam, and this room has a bit of a view which I will try and show you. So that's bedroom number 5. And then the last room, bedroom number 6, is off on our right. Now, interestingly, the previous owners of the house rented this house out for holiday rentals, and they used to lock this door and leave this as their personal space that wasn't rented. More exposed wooden beams. This room, like all of the others, has been beautifully decorated, beautifully furnished. Everything just fits together so well. Really is a good house. So we'll make our way back downstairs, have a last look at the garden before we end. So do make sure you check the description below the video. There'll be a link to the actual advert page on our website where you can see where the house is located, the sizes of the rooms, and a general description. The pretty village, Puzzol, really nicely located. And you're also, if you're interested, just down the road, literally about 2 kilometers down the road from a property you may or may not have heard of called Château Saint-Pierre de Serjac, which is a beautiful wine domain with a restaurant, a bar and a spa. So that could be a really nice option to just go just a couple of kilometers down the road, have a massage, have a lunch or a dinner. And there we are, back to the kitchen, and that's the end of the tour. Thank you so much for watching. Please do ask any questions or feel free to contact us if you would like to arrange a visit.